Hello everyone, this is Yash. Welcome back to YD Geology Zone. So today I'm going to tell you how to select course and how to see the course list in a mobile. So I have told you in the last video how can we see the courses providing on the SWAYAM website or on the from NPTEL website from laptop screen, right? So this time I will tell you from the app version how you can see it in a detailed way, how you can see the credits and all, the start date, end date, everything I will tell you from the mobile version, and it is easier than the laptop version because here it is handy to see it, not like a big Excel sheet. It is very simple and easier to see it here. So one thing I would like to clear you, SWAYAM, CEC, IGNOU, NIOS and all other things comes under SWAYAM. Okay, SWAYAM is a portal where all the institutes provide their elective courses, NPTEL or whether it is IGNOU or whether it is NIOS or whether it is CEC. So last time I told you only about the NPTEL courses, right? So this time I will tell you about all the courses. So without wasting time, let's start this video here and let's go to the mobile screen. So here we are on our mobile screen. Let's go to Play Store first and search SWAYAM. As you can see, SWAYAM, SWAYAM. And here we can see the app. This is written 4.2 ratings by SWAYAM IITM. Okay, so you have to install this app. Let it install first. It is installing. By the time we will see the photos here. It's written SWAYAM MHRD initiative, Government of India. Then here course catalog, course search, categories, course catalog and all. Okay, so let's step back and yeah, it is installing. Let it install. Now I will keep this arrow somewhere in the top. Okay, installing. Yeah, okay, so now we will open the app. So do not show in future. This you can read it. Best in class instructor, weekly assignments which ensure your progress in timely manner, proctored exam channelized through our authorized partners, easy credit transfer. So this is what I was talking about credits in the last video. Active local chapters, systematic approach, and now goes to skip and now sign in and register. So we will continue as a guest first and I will show you. So as you come here, okay, let me start as a sign in register so that you could understand a more better way how to register here. Okay, so I will start registering. So it's opening. Okay, so I already have an account, but let's sign up for now so that you guys should also understand well. Sign up. You can do your sign up from here, or either you can sign up using your Google account or your Microsoft account or Facebook account. So I will suggest make account, okay, because sometimes you will need a password then if you will change here and there. So better sign up and then go with your account, sign in. Okay, so let me type my password and all. So I will go with Google better now. So let me select any account. So yeah, it got selected account. Actually I forgot my password. Yeah. So as you can see in my courses, there are 39 courses are upcoming and ongoing and 33 are completed. But to be frank, I haven't done much of it. Okay, I have just enrolled in it, but I haven't watched the videos. I thought I was, but I haven't watched. Okay, so see downside, you can see here there is a home and the 4 boxes, then the search icon, and there is like something like drawer, right? So first we'll click on this home icon, and here again the first page comes where acquire skills that meet your needs, faculty development and student mentoring, interface with SWAYAM as a local chapter. Okay, that's it. NPTEL exam, and here are some updates are coming on SWAYAM course in regional languages. Let COVID-19 not stop your learning, continue with SWAYAM. Okay, let it be. So our main thing is we have to go to course catalog. Okay, So this is a little bit easier as compared to the website work, because website you can do this all things in website also, but when in last video I have shown you the list of courses, right? But this is better. Here you can search what you want. So for example, here we are architecture and planning and Angular refresher program. This is what Angular refresher program teaching and something, I think. So here nothing is there back. So we especially or I don't know about you guys, but you can choose according to your opinion. So I'm going to maths and science. Here I want to go to earth sciences because I am a student of geology, which comes under the earth science school, right? So in case I want a earth science classes, so I will check out here. So the present course which I can take is the only this one. Okay, I cannot enroll any other than this, which is in, so here metamorphic petrology and thermodynamics. So this is the only course available. Okay, so this is the ongoing which I have already enrolled. Okay, we have to see on the upcoming or which enrollment open. So you can, these are the courses which you can select. Okay, so I will do again back. So if in case you see you are taking generic elective, which means you can took anything. It doesn't matter you have to take any personal. If for example I am from geology, it doesn't mean I have to take any course related to geology. I can take anything. If I like humanities and arts, I will go with humanities and arts. For example, I have to take geography, that is also related to geology. But if I can take philosophy, linguistic, language, anything. So here nothing is there in this folder. So we can go for communication. We will see something is here or not. Let's hope here is also nothing. So anthropology we will see, study of human evolution. Here also nothing is there. Okay, we can see view all in humanities and all arts, so that we can see what are the things we can get here. Okay, so here basic French is there, access to justice, administration and public policy, and you can see here. So now I will tell you about some important things. I will make a separate video on it also, but for now I will tell you. See, you can see here at this side, here IGNOU is written, then CEC is written, then NPTEL is written, and here again IGNOU is written, see, and then again CEC. So what are these, right? So these are all are the institutions which are providing you the course. And don't get confused between NPTEL and SWAYAM. Okay, if you want to see your lectures and all, you can go to swayam.com or swayam.ac.in, whatever it is. You can go to SWAYAM, or you can use the SWAYAM app. Okay. So for example, now we will take a course. As we can see the weeks also here. This is 12 weeks. 12 weeks means you have to divide it by 4. So 12 weeks divided by 4 is 3 credits. So what should I take? Let me think of it. We will see some other courses. Well, there's a tribal societies there, biogeography, brief introduction to psychology. Only 1 credit, but it's 4 divided by 4 equals to 1. Development, soft skills and personality, educational leadership. Yeah, we can go for it. 2 credits it is. And I need 6 credits. Okay, so either I have to take 2 plus 4 or I have to take 3 plus 3. So it is 2 credits. So next course I have to take off 2 plus 4. Okay. So here the small introduction will be there, what you were going to study and all. And here will be a summary. Here the marks, starting date and the end date, exam date, everything will be given. So see here, if it is an NPTEL course, now see, you can see here the NPTEL is written in on the video at the bottom, in the video's bottom corner. You can see here the NPTEL is written, or you can see backside also. See here in front of this educational leadership, NPTEL is given. So NPTEL will provide you before only all the details and all. So here you can see who is going to teach. And prerequisite industry support. Prerequisite is graduation, and industry support is all educational institutes and educational professionals. So graduation is required for this course, and we cannot take it, right? Because we haven't done graduation. So we will go back. Means it doesn't mean you cannot take, but it will be hard for you. It means that. So for now, which should I take? Okay, I will take environment and development. It's a 3 credit course. I will go for it. We will see its intended audience UG and PG, students of humanities and social sciences and engineering. So it is UG and PG for both. So we will take this 12-week course. So it means 3 credits, starting date, end date, everything is given, level UG and PG both is given. So here you will get the course layout, what are you going to study and all, okay. And one thing, in every week you will get an MCQ which you have to solve, okay. Means in every week you will get an assignment where you submit before the last date, and you can edit your answers as many times as possible. Means you can open it and you click one answer, and you want to change your answer after some days, you can change it, no problem, just before the last date of submission, okay. Then here it is a course certificate. About course certificate you will see here, the course is free to enroll and run. See, you can learn here everything. Just for a certificate you have to pay 1000, means the exam fee is 1000 rupees. If you have to just learn, you can learn as many as things, but you will not be able to give exam. So for giving exam you need to pay 1000, and after giving exam then only you will get a certificate. So all this criteria to get a certificate, here is a criteria. I will make a separate video on this to understand this criteria and all. So this is a video just how to join a course and all, okay. This is how to see the course and all. So so here in this way you can see all your courses and all, right. Now let's select a course. Okay, wait a minute, let me tell you something more about all these things, so that afterward I will show you how to join the course, or I will make a new video on that, okay. So that was all about your courses, right. Now here are the 4 dots, categories and all. Here the same category is there, and here search box. If you want to search anything particularly, if you have something in your mind, you can search it. I will search, for example, chemistry. Yeah, here ARPIT is there, means all AICT is there, NPTEL is there, so you can see the here names of the subject, whatever you want. I'm saying back, and here it's a drawer. So these are the courses which I am doing, okay. So this drawer function is there now. So all these courses which I have enrolled, and I haven't learned anything from here actually. I just uninstalled the app after some days. And these are the completed. Completed means just the date is over and it came up here. And I haven't learned here from here also anything. But I have enrolled a lot. Because I took it 4 courses. I have done 4 courses from NPTEL, and I will share its review and all this thing with you guys, don't worry. So when I took 4 courses, now that time I have took so many courses with me. So these are the result of that. So that I was having a backup plan. If I don't like that course, what will I do? Means for example, I enrolled for 1 course and just I enrolled for only 1 course, right? And after the enrollment date of all the courses is over, I came to know this subject is very hard and I cannot pass in this exam. So in that case, I will be having no option, because offline elective my department won't give because I am already late, and online also the enrollment date is over, so I cannot take. So I have to go with that hard subject only. So that's why I have enrolled in so many courses. Okay, so coming to back. Now here you can see 3 lines. I will click on it and I will show. So here your email ID will be there, and see for your keep only one email ID in your all college life and also academics. Keep only one email ID, and you can use your all other social accounts and all other email ID. My suggestion. So here is the app. You can click home is there, and click on home to get on home. 3 dots on the dashboard, the main dashboard you will get course catalog, my courses, that's it, and sign it, and about, that's about the app, it will show you. Yeah. So in next video I will show you how to join the course and what are details you need to fill, okay. I hope all of you liked the video and all of you are understood it very well. So if you like it, don't forget to press the like button and share button. Share with all of your friends who are eager to do or interested in doing online elective from SWAYAM. And don't forget to subscribe the channel for more updated videos. And in the next video I will tell you about how to join the course and all the details required for joining the course. Okay. So see you in the next video. Till that, tata, see you, bye, and stay safe, stay happy.